Welcome to the life of a messy ADHD girl who's trying to get her life together in just a few minutes a week. Today we're doing what I like to call a 10-minute moment. 10 minutes to feel lighter while clearing the mental and physical clutter. Having a clear space really does help, but it's so overwhelming to think about doing it all at once. So to just set the barrier to be 10 minutes and to have a friend to do it with really makes it feel a lot more attainable, and I promise that you will feel so good when we're done. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, ugh, that sounds really nice, I'd love to do that, instead of just bookmarking this video and scrolling away, bookmark this video now and then open your calendar app and set an event on a time later today or this week that would work good for you to do your 10-minute moment. Make sure that it will alert you in some way as well. Then when you're ready, come back to this video and you can do the 10-minute moment with me. You can also pause right now, think about what you would like to do, or maybe you've already thought of something, and go get ready to do it, and then do it with me right now too. Whatever you choose, you can always come back to this video if you need a buddy for another 10-minute moment. Today, I'm going to be reorganizing my closet and putting away my laundry, and let's go get started. This might not look messy to you, but to me, it is. I normally like to have it where all of the same type of shirt is together, and lately I've just been throwing my new laundry on here without paying a care into the world, and so I want to put it all back together all nicely. So that is what we're gonna do today, and I don't even know where to start. Let's see, this area is put back together, so I should fix it. Here's the flannels, and whatever you're doing today, or if you're just watching, hello, nice to have you here. Don't remember what I was gonna say, but anyways, welcome. So crew necks are next. Here's a crew neck. Over here. And here's that's a robe. Crew neck. Crew neck. I don't know why I have these all in my closet when it's literally the middle of summer. That's like low-key embarrassing, I feel like. It's just so hot and I have all this warm stuff in here. Maybe then sweatshirts, which I have two right here. Like, why do I have half of my closet is full of long sleeve hoodie things, and I live in Arizona? It's literally 115 degrees outside. Why am I like this? Okay. Now I know I have a section for spirit jerseys way back here because your girl loves a spirit jersey. But these are like the ones that I don't wear. Although I really should wear this one. Look how cute this is. It's adorable, huh? It's super cute. And look at the back. I never wear this. I really should. Okay, I'm going to move it to a place so that I'll see it more. Anyways, these are the spirit jerseys that I don't wear. You can't really see them. They're all Disney. Or like old sorority ones. Oh my god, my arm. And my Stitch one. But anyways, those can stay there. These are fine here. This is like miscellaneous shirts. Do I have any miscellaneous shirts I'm not wearing right now? All of this can move over to here. I wanted to move, miscellaneous shirts. That's what I was looking for. Do I have anything that's like weird? Yes, these. 4 of these. These 4. Miscellaneous. Probably should get rid of them, but don't want to. So cute. I love wearing this to Disneyland. We're just gonna put them over here. I'm so sad though. Look what happened to my Disneyland Halloween shirt. It's just deteriorated. Sad. But it's okay. I'll buy another one. Oh, okay. I think we're here. So we want a spot for spirit jerseys that we want to wear, but they need to be with other long sleeves. I've just been rocking this one all summer because it's plain, and I recently figured out my colors, like your skin, and this is a good one. I don't know if you can tell. Also, this one that was good too, so it's probably not making much of a difference. My robe. I could just put it here with this thing for now, I guess. It probably should go somewhere else, though. Let's move them. This thing also is like the best because unlike an Udi, it goes to the floor, least on me, it like goes to my ankles. When it's really cold, I literally take walks around the neighborhood wearing this, and it feels so good. Yeah, it's the best. Okay, way in the back. My arms are literally so tired. Okay, long sleeves. Oh shoot, here's another crew neck. The crew necks were here, which I kind of want the crew necks in front of the ones with hoods because I wear these more often. Okay, long sleeve. No more long sleeve. Why is my pashmina in here though? We do not need the pashmina to be in with the clothes. This is a raving accessory that comes out once a year. She's ancient. She's been with me to so many raves. This is weird vacation stuff that I don't know what to do with, so we're gonna put it over here. I can't get over how much of an arm workout this is, you guys. These are all tank tops I should probably get rid of if I'm being honest with myself, so we're just gonna put them over here. And then I think from here, a miscellaneous shirt. 2 miscellaneous shirts. Miscellaneous shirts, by the way, are shirts that I don't wear very often. So they're like, I don't know why I'm calling them miscellaneous, but that's what we're doing. Okay, now we're to the stuff I actually wear. So we want to separate the work tank tops, the workout ones from the cotton ones, and the camis, which are the spaghetti straps. So we have cotton, workout, and spaghetti strap. I know there's some more hiding in here. Here's a cotton one that I wear. And another one, 2 spaghetti straps. 2 spaghettis. My poor little army. It's so bad. Okay. More cotton. That's a cute one. More cotton. And, okay. So, these both go here. And then, these are like fancier tank tops. I'm just going to put them here. And then from here, all we have left are shirts, I think. Oh, nope. Forgot this guy. Workout tank. Okay. This is looking better. And now, we just have shirts. But these are different than these two. This one needs to go here, here. Whoops, and one more move. Okay, now all the friends are together. Okay, and then I probably shouldn't have my vacation clothes just like here. I don't know. It is summer. Maybe I'll just leave them here. It's gonna be all of these. Boom. Remove it a little. And then I think I'm gonna get rid of all of these. These are all things that I don't wear anymore, which is great. And I don't have a little baggie though. I need a little baggie. We're just gonna hang these right here. Boop. Boop. They're hanging on the door so that I'll grab a little baggie. Okay, so now that that's done, and that's beautiful, we're gonna separate these a little bit so that they get some room to breathe. You know, I've got 2 months until fall, but I can stare at my long sleeves until then, right? We can romanticize that fall is coming by staring at the long sleeve sweatshirts that we love. And I am actually probably going to Disneyland soon, which means I can wear this bad boy because we're going camping and I think it's right by the beach and it's going to be cold at night in California. And this is just going to be so cute. This reminds me of like a sweatshirt that I had in the 90s, like when I was a little kid. I love it. But you can't wear this stuff very often in Arizona. You get like 5 months out of the year you can wear hoodies, which I don't mind. I'm not complaining. Okay, now I need to put away my actual laundry, which is all in here. Okay, hamper is now back to being for dirty stuff. And I just gotta move something down here. And we're done. Voila. I feel like it's only fair if I show you. So, closet, nice and organized. All the stuff put away. Everything here put away. Look at how organized my shoes are. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. Do you know how hard it was to do this? But now that it's done, it stays that way. Yeah. Thank you for coming along with me. That was super fun.